here's what we're going to do. We're going to do kind of an experiment, and we're going to test to see how liquid travels through solids. Because what we're going to be doing in this thing, and let me kind of introduce to you folks a really cool concept. One of the big projects we're going to be doing, and I'm going to be introducing it a little bit more to you as the time goes on, is we're going to be doing a lab, or we're going to be building as a team water filtration devices. And so we're going to be passing water through solids to try to filter out the water to make clean drinking water so that we can take water from the toilet and actually drink it. No, don't worry, I'm not going to make you drink any water that comes from a toilet. I'm just saying, yeah. But in the book, they drink the toilet water. I'm telling you, they do, and I think you reach that in chapter 17. And I think at the end of this week, you guys are going to be in chapter 17. So, spoiler alert, Mr. Dalday. The second time I did that, spoiler alert. All right. So, here's what I want to do. I want to start testing out the time it takes for, oh, you read that. Oh, okay. I didn't swear. Did I swear? All right, whatever. All right. I want to record the time it takes for water to filter through different types of materials. So I have my lovely assistant here, Maya, and she's going to help me out with this stuff. Let's do this. Let's grab this guy here. So let's get go grab me a dry funnel. Give me the white one. The white one. The big one. On the bottom. There we go. Alright, here we go. Let's see. 15 milliliters, 7.5 milliliters. This should be good. Alright. So, let's do this. And folks, while you are at it, go into the classroom. Go into the classroom, and I want you guys to pull up a tab that's called Lab Handout Solids and Liquids. I want you to pull that tab up. Go back into the classroom, pull up the thing called Lab Handout Solids and Liquids. I want you to open up that Google Doc. Okay, I can't really, all right, here. I'll tell you what, I'm going to give you instructions to do. You work on that while I type things, okay? I want you to fill this up with 3 spoonfuls of this in there. So I'll start off the first one with you. 1. Kind of shake it. Okay, good. There we go. All right. Okay. Let me type up the thing that you want to open. All right. What you're going to want to open is, I'll give you the link. We're going to fill this thing out together. Yeah, 3. 3?
Yeah.
All right. Do the same for this one.
Okay.
And this one. Okay. Let me see. Share this link. All right. Okay, open up that file right there. Make a copy of it so you guys have your own copy to work off of. Oh, wait. Did you put it in here? Why'd you put it in here? But it's all right. What did you put in?
I put it in there.
Oh, did it fall down to the bottom?
Yeah.
Darn.
You
All right.
tell me.
We're going to have to do that again. I got an idea. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're going to have to do that again. All right, here. Okay. No. Don't. Hey, stop. Someone's chatting with me while I'm doing this. Huh. Who's chatting with me? All right. No. Hey, stop chatting. You guys are making so much noise. All right. So, open that up. Make a copy of it so you guys can start working on your own document. All right. 3 in here. Okay. 3 in there.
I'm doing each and
Yeah.
Okay.
That's 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, make a copy by going to File, Make a Copy. All right, let's see. Did we get it? Oh, we can just pour that in. All right, this is 3 spoonfuls. All right. So what I'm going to do is I've got 3 different types of materials. I've got clay, I've got gravel, and I've got sand. All right? So what I want you folks to do, let's get into the meat of things over here. Actually, here. Let's go through this lab together. List 3 examples of liquids moving through solids. Think of things you've seen in the past week. Can you think of examples of liquids moving through solids? Give me 3 examples. Cornstarch and water. Okay, water going through cornstarch. I agree. Good. That's a liquid going through a solid. Anything else? What are 3 examples? What do you mean no? I'm asking for 3 examples. You can't tell me no. There you go. Salt. Okay. Water going through salt. Maybe that would be a good one. All right. What about water going through, like, how fast does water go through your clothes? Right? Or how fast does water go through the jacket that you're wearing? If it's a good jacket, hopefully it doesn't go through very fast at all. If it's a t-shirt, then it's probably going to go through pretty quickly. Does that make sense? All right, so list that information there. Here's my question for you. What do you think will determine the speed at which water moves through a type of material? And my hint is this. What do you think will determine? So I've got 3 different types of material here. I've got clay, sand, and gravel. Whoa. 3 different types of material. What do you think will determine how fast the water will get to the bottom of this beaker? And you know what? I feel like I want to do more. I want to do like 6 or something like that. Should we do? Why don't you do 3 more? Go for it. How dense it is. Okay. Okay. That's a good possibility. Do you think that denser rock will? So are you saying that denser rock will not let water go through more than less dense rock? Is that what you're saying? I don't know. Well, here's my question. All right, let me ask you in this way then. Which test tube do you think will which one will allow the water to get to the bottom quickest? That's my question. The gravel. Everyone's kind of saying the gravel. The third one, the rocks. Why? All right, this one has clay, this one has sand, and this one has rocks. Gravel has big holes in it. I agree. Yes. The space in between. I agree completely. Okay? So that's not really the density as much as it is like the amount of space in between the different pieces. Does that make sense? The compactness. All right, that would be a good word. All right, so here's what you need to put in the columns. Let's go back to those columns over there. In the first column, you want to write down the types of materials, and I need to label these things. So let's call this one, let's see. Let me go find a pen real quick. All right, that's all right. Turn it upside down. All right. We'll call this one A.
I got it.
We'll call this one B. We'll call this one C. All right. So, in A, there's clay. So over here, the type of material is clay. For B, there's sand. For C, there's gravel or rocks. Got it? All right. So, here's what we're going to do. Okay. A is clay. B, somebody type this up, what I'm saying, so that way you guys type it into the chat so you guys can see what I'm saying.
What do you mean? Who's talking this whole time?
Oh, are you guys hearing something weird?
I left that completely stopped.
Check, audio check. Check. A ghost robot. Audio check. Can you hear my voice? Arg. All right. Someone type this out. In A, you have clay. Got it? It's 11:25. In B, you have sand. In C, you have rocks. I'll tell you what, I hate to do this to you, but we got to finish class. We're all done. You guys have another class that you guys got to get started on, I think, later on. So I can't, in fact, I got to start teaching a different class pretty soon. So I'll just record this video for you guys later on. I'll record this video for you guys right now, and then you guys can watch the video and go through it. Sound good? I'm sorry, I'm going to have to end class, and then I'll record a video to help you guys out. All right. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do today, let's do the experiment. All right, so let's do this.